Hi everyone, welcome to the third session of breathing practices. In this session, we'll learn about Bhramari or bumblebee breath. In this, we create a humming sound as we exhale. So we'll go through the steps, but first we'll start with the neck and shoulder stretches to relax ourselves, straighten our back. Then we'll observe our breath for a few seconds and then we on to the new practice for today. So sit on the mat, follow the guidelines. You may also watch the guidelines video, which are important for any breathing session. Straighten your back. You may keep the block or the cushion beneath you. Today I'm skipping that part. Place your palms on your knees, straighten your back, bringing your head, your neck and your back in one line, lifting the crown of your head up. Let's rotate our waist. We'll be circling from right towards left, that is clockwise direction. So just bend towards your right knee, moving forward and then coming towards back, gripping your hands on your knees. Slowly, we'll be doing it thrice in clockwise motion, bringing mobility in our lower back. Now anti-clockwise 3 times. Interlock your palms in front of you. Then pushing them away from you. Relax your shoulder, stretching your arms. Bringing them in line with your shoulder. Now interlock them behind you, forming a fist, rolling your shoulder back, bringing chin parallel to the mat, shoulder blades joining in your upper back. Feel the compression in your upper back. And then side twist, placing right palm on the left knee, looking towards back. Spinal twist to ease the posture, warming up the spine. This will make our breath work easy. While exhaling, come to center. Inhale, look towards back. Open your shoulders, your chest. Repeat it once more. Left hand behind you. As you inhale, look back, opening your chest. Other side. Coming back to the center. Again, rolling the shoulders back. Closing your eyes, placing your palms on the knees. Easing into the session. Normal breathing 2 to 3 times. Observing your breath. 1 to 2 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Easily, slowly. Deep inhalation and exhalation. So now we move on to humming bee sound or Bhramari. In this, we keep our ears closed. We inhale deeply, and while exhaling, we make a humming bee sound. So first we'll do 2 to 3 rounds without closing our ears so that we understand the sound we have to create. You will feel the vibrations in your throat and your larynx region. Keep your mouth closed and relaxed. Inhale deeply from the nose and create the sound through your throat from your mouth. Inhale deeply, close your eyes. We'll do 3 rounds without closing our ears. Inhale, while exhaling, make the humming bee sound. Inhale, and the sound. In the next round, try to make it little longer and do it at relaxed pace. Inhale deeply, exhale. So now we understand the kind of sound that gets created in Bhramari. Now we'll close our ears. We'll push the cartilage towards our ears with our index finger. We'll close both the ears, and now we'll do 3 rounds with our ears closed. Keeping your back straight, close your ears, close the cartilage. Inhale, exhale with humming bee sound. Two more rounds. Inhale deeply. Third round. Inhale deeply. Relax your hands. Breathe normally 2 to 3 times. Also, while doing humming bee breath, remember that you exhale steadily and slowly, and you create the humming bee sound as long as your exhalation is. Don't take the humming sound beyond your exhalation. That's the purpose of linking the exhalation with the humming sound. You may close your eyes again. Breathe normally. Relax yourself completely. You may lie down. If you feel tired, you may lie down in Savasana for 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you everyone for joining in this third session where we learned Bhramari, but this was a very simple version of Bhramari. Some people combine humming bee sound with Shanmukhi Mudra. We didn't touch that part today. We might take it up in future. I'll meet you again tomorrow in the next session with a new breathing practice. Thank you.